Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are coloring alphabets. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, first we are using the color of blue. Now we are mixing and using the color of blue. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, now we are mixing the color of blue. And first we are coloring the shape of. First we are coloring the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. Subscribe to our channel. Now we are using the color of blue. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. Kids, the next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. And the next one is E. E for egg, E for elephant. The next one is F. Subscribe to our channel. F for fish, F for fan. And G for goat. Kids, the next one is H. H for hand. The next one is I for ice, I for ice cream. And the next one is J. J for joker. The next one is K. And the next one is L. L for lion, L for lemon. M for moon, M for mango. The next one is N for nose, N for nest. Subscribe to our channel. O for octopus. And the next one is P. P for penguin. Kids, the next one is Q. Q for queen. And the next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is S. S for sun, S for snack. T for teacher. U for umbrella. And the next one is V. V for van. Kids, the next one is W. W for wolf. The next one is X. X for Xmas tree. And Y for York. The last one is Z. Z for zoo. Z for zebra. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are coloring 2D shapes. First we are using the color of blue. And now we are coloring the shape of star. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The shape of star. The next one is pentagon. We are again using the color of blue. Kids, the next one is square. The shape of square. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is triangle. The shape of triangle. Kids, now we're coloring the shape of circle. Subscribe to our channel. The last one is trapezoid. We are again using the color of blue. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are coloring 2D shapes. First we are coloring the shape of star, and now we are using the color of green. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, now we are mixing and using the color of green. First we are coloring star, the shape of star. And the next one is pentagon. We are again using the color of pentagon, the color of green. The next one is square. Kids, now we're using the color of red and coloring the shape of square. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is triangle. We are again using the color of red. Kids, the next one is circle, the shape of circle. Now we're using the color of yellow. Now we're coloring the shape of circle. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.